The next generation of productivity, durability, and innovation is here in the 6x4 baler lineup. Let's take a look at the 604 S series of balers from Vermeer and see how these machines can be the closer you need in your haymaking process. The 604 S series lineup lets you choose the features that make the biggest impact for your haymaking process. Rancher balers bring new machine reliability in a low horsepower package with a 540 RPM standard loop driveline, friction clutch, and 80 horsepower recommendation. Expect signature performance from the 604S Signature Baler, a 540 RPM standard loop driveline with friction clutch or an optional 1000 RPM standard loop driveline protected by an automatic clutch in a 90 horsepower recommended package. When productivity is a must and downtime isn't an option, look to the 604S Premium. Paired with an automatic clutch and extended loop driveline, it's your choice between a standard 540 RPM, small 1000, or large 1000 RPM PTO, all with a 105 horsepower recommendation. At the front of the baler, a cameless pickup gives you confidence for the long run with just 2 bearings on the pickup head to maintain. This helps reduce wear on one of the highest stress points of the machine, and paired with poly-riser stripper bands found standard on all 3 balers, brings durability and optimized crop stripping to the forefront. 604 S series balers are also equipped with rubber-mounted pickup teeth proven to last in the field and minimize time spent replacing tines. On Signature and Premium balers, 5 bars carrying these teeth means maximized capacity. Pick up wide windrows with an 82-inch flare-to-flare pickup width paired with a rotor to keep crop moving into the chamber. This pickup is held up by 2 things: semi-pneumatic gauge wheels and 3-year coverage to deliver peace of mind for the long run. You need confidence that your baler will be up and running when it matters most. 60 and 80 diamond chain on Rancher and Signature balers, or 80 and 100 diamond chain on Premium balers keeps rollers moving for the long haul. All 3 models offer an optional automatic chain loop system to keep things running smoothly for your longest days in the field. To keep you moving with high volume crop, the pickup head is protected by a radial pin clutch, and as always, durability is at the forefront on a Vermeer machine with large hex drive shafts and bearings throughout. The right amount of grease at the right time doesn't have to be a question mark. On the 604S Signature, a standard grease bank brings hard-to-reach grease zerks right to the side of the machine. On Premium balers, you'll find a standard auto loop system. With control through the monitor, operators can choose to automatically grease critical bearings every 5, 10, or 20 bales, depending on conditions. This provides grease to bearings at constant intervals, helping maximize component longevity. For the edge-to-edge spread you need, this mechanical net wrap system has not 1, but 2 steel spiral rollers to ensure your net wrap gets all the way to the edge of the bale. You won't need to worry about putting a spacer in to use a different width of net wrap that you or your customer might select. If you're ready to stop lifting heavy rolls of net into the baler, our optional net lift system swings out and away from the back of the baler so you can pick your net up from the ground or your tailgate and move it into place without pushing or pulling. Managing your bale quality is at your fingertips with a suite of tracking and adjustment features from the Atlas Pro control system. Density adjustment, tracking of statistics like bale count, tonnage, and average moisture for up to 50 fields, a gauge for the amount of net you have left on your roll, and live readings from moisture sensors on S-Series balers help keep you productive in the field. To maximize your efficiency with Signature and Premium balers, you can opt for auto bale ejection to keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the windrow. Make educated management decisions or provide more accurate billing to customers by pairing the Atlas Pro with optional scales to give yourself real-time bale weight, average, and total tonnage data. Choose your haymaking closer with the 604 S Series balers from Vermeer. For more information on these or other Vermeer hay tools, contact your local dealer or visit Vermeer.com.
Thanks for watching. We hope this helps equip you to do more. Subscribe to our channel for more. And if you're interested in contacting a local dealer, visit Vermeer.com/dealer. Thanks again.